Looking to change the language on your Gmail app but not sure how to do it? In this updated tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to customize the language settings on your Gmail app. To get started, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, locate and tap on your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Manage your Google account to access your account settings. From there, select Personal Info to view and edit your personal information. Scroll down until you find the Language option and tap on it to adjust the language settings for your Gmail app. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the language settings on your Gmail app to a language of your preference. Customizing the language can enhance your user experience and make navigating through your emails more convenient. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips to optimize your digital tools. Remember to subscribe for the latest updates on managing your apps and devices effectively. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of changing the language on your Gmail app. Enjoy a personalized and user-friendly experience with your preferred language settings.